Hi there, this video is to help you start developing your characters. So this could be one job in your group for someone to do. So going back to that script video that I did, and we had this character John. Before you start writing your script and doing your animation and your video, you need to start developing what your characters first of all going to look like. So how tall is he, his age, what does he do? And then you need to build up his characteristics, like is he a happy person, a sad person, that type of thing. And then talk about his background. What's he doing? If you're talking about, is he at school? Does he like soccer? Is he into sports? That's what you mean. You need for his background, and then justify his reason why he's in the story. If you don't have that, then your storyline and your script is going to be a bit boring. So you need to have these characters well developed and an idea of what they look like and what they're going to be like before you can start answering the question and writing stories about them. So your job is to really make sure those characters are meaningful, they're realistic, we can relate to them, because that's what makes a good story. So in your groups, even before you start your animation, you need to know something about these characters, and that's what you need to do. This is what is all involved in the planning part of your work. Alright, I hope that helps, and hopefully you get a bit about how to develop character. There's just some of the questions that I would have thought of. You don't have to just use them. You can use some different ways of wording those, feel free, but you almost need to create a bio of each character. This will help improve your story and make it good. All right.